Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to enter test mode via secret code. To enter test mode via secret code, firstly enter dialer. Now type As you can see, we've entered test mode. Here we can go to phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi information. Let me only notify you that I don't guarantee this code will work on your smartphone. It should work on every Android device, but perhaps it can not work on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.